What's up, family steaders? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna show you why you should never throw away grass clippings, or why you should. So if your grass look like this, you shouldn't use your grass clippings, because natural grass has weeds. Treated grass doesn't. An easy way to collect grass clippings is using a lawnmower with a grass catcher. So if you plan on starting a garden or you already have a garden, this is a great investment. Now that we got that out the way, let's talk about 3 ways you can use grass clippings for your garden. So the first way is adding grass clippings on top of your plants or your fruit trees. And that's as simple as this. Adding grass clippings on top of your fruit trees or plants does 3 different things. The first thing it does is feed your soil organic matter, which makes healthy soil. Healthy soil equals a healthy garden. The second thing it does is feed your plants or fruit trees nitrogen. Nitrogen is needed for your plants for green, healthy growth. And the third thing it does is keep your soil from drying out so fast. So this is a great way to use grass clippings if you're growing in containers. The second way to use grass clippings is mixing it with your soil. So as you can see right here, we mix grass clippings with our soil and we planted some collard greens. Let me show you how we did it. And grass clippings also help loosen up clay soil. So the easiest way to do this would be using a tiller. But if you don't have a tiller, a Broadfork and a shovel will get the job done. And the third way to use grass clippings for your garden is adding it to your compost. Adding grass clippings to your compost helps your compost break down faster. And check this out, after a week or so, if you look under your grass clippings and you start to see a lot of white fungus looking stuff, don't even worry about that. That's a great sign. That means your grass clippings are decomposing, breaking down. So that's what you want to see. What you don't want to see is super slimy and green grass clippings.